Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Motorola. Begin with opening settings. In them you need to scroll down and tap on Privacy section. Then select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to control, in my case camera. Then click on one of your apps, in this case maybe Chrome, and tap on one of those options to set up the chosen one. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so now when I click on the back button, I can see that Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature and then look for an app that you are interested in. I will go with location to access files. Now we need to click on See All Files by Google Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!